In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove restriction on Messenger. If you've ever restricted someone and now want to bring them back into your regular chat list with notifications and calls, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open your Messenger app. You'll land on your Chats tab. Find the person you previously restricted. If you don't see the conversation right away, use the search bar at the top and type their name. Restricted conversations often won't appear in your main inbox and may be tucked away with limited notifications, so searching is the quickest way to locate them. Once you find the conversation, open it so you're inside that chat thread. A quick reminder, restriction is a privacy feature you control. It hides your activity from that person in your inbox and limits notifications, but it doesn't block or unfriend them. You can unrestrict at any time. Next, press on their profile area to remove the restriction. In most cases, you can tap their name or the info icon at the top of the chat to open the conversation details. Look for an option that says unrestrict, remove restriction, or something similar. Tap it, then confirm if the app asks you to. The exact wording or placement may vary slightly depending on your device and the app version, but it's always within the chat's profile or settings panel. After you unrestrict, the chat will behave normally again. Notifications resume. The thread returns to your main inbox, and you can call or message without the limitations that restriction adds. If you don't see the unrestrict option, a few things could be happening. You may not have actually restricted this person, in which case there won't be anything to remove. Or if you're unable to message them like before, they might have restricted you on their side, which you can't change. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and check your internet connection, because outdated versions or poor connectivity can hide or delay settings panels. Also, give the app a quick restart if the menu doesn't load properly. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger, find the conversation for the person you restricted, go into their profile from the chat and tap unrestrict. It's fast, reversible, and puts your conversation back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your inbox and regain control of your Messenger notifications.